trusted states institution. Omain say o kan ye kata se dream kan ye kwa. With the help of this institution, in fact, omo credibility anase gia ye ji omo di no ekosuru yi pa mo bia hu se omo beka nenu ano no. Na the disturbing development ekoso from the Auditor General's department and our audit service no Ghana audit service no is something that needs attention. Na unim se beto dwa for first state nsem bi beto dwa se payroll anase aketua yetua nkrofo aban adwuma mu no yetua binumu ka wabra on earned salaries ebi wo hono mu a adwuma no a eso ye ne ho aketua no wonya no se adwuma no ebia wanye enso ho aketua aba ebi wo nso ebia ba bia wo no te se bia memfa nsem wo Nhyira FM na yeyi mi ko ba bi fofura mako ba bi fofura meji maketua wo hode ba na maketua nso sa aba wo Nhyira FM a ebetomu a yeyi enso na ekoba ne saa Auditor General who ni say ase ye tuan samanka ghost names sika no ko wabra nipa wo muji sika no enya de se ho adwuma na ye de boa nenu na beto odwa. In fact wo hwe ministries bebre, Ministry of Education achechefo ni diem oko Ministry of Defense so many ministries ni bebrebe Akokoa so a just ye tuan krofo ka se ketua no wonu mu deserve so wo muji se sika no. Na ebeto odwa se yewura Frank Podo ono nso eya aban dwumani wajisika up to 428 million Ghana cedis. Na seska we no offer transport ministry nko akra ebro mo budgetary allocation ene ese papa yaje na mehu ye no me ankasa no na etwetwema so kakra, but because ade no efri source a udi hu achini a enye yie like the Auditor General Auditor General ensa hyesa report no ase na aba ensam no ahura ma papa ya ye frɛ ne Frank Podoi said ye yesi ahoro no Ghana ha no ye hu ne send so kromfo bi mada. In fact, analysts be brave, and I don't blame them because they are talking based on the Auditor General's report. Analysts be brave. E blame eye papai for taking the money, sharing with others. Almost so shasi omo bua the money GCK because obi hu ni say ya yinim say obi ntumi nye we just wo nyam wo afiri baabi nti bia o amanfo hyehyɛ nkyɛn na omo ye chop nti o GCK kɛse ese no a no wa mo obi a share. The analysts ni bebre akasa afa ho a na to our surprise enra ebepie mu said the Auditor General akache no Ghana Audit Service e de aba abonten se ensem mo de ba ya ye super papa yi nyina no eyemfomso na saa amount no kra no Ghana Education Service na saa de no ekɔ a involve a lot of workers enti enye Mr. Frank Podoi. In fact, na yedikai ahoro no jefa audit service document no to sumai. Na yedikai ahoro papai ase no a ene da so no. Enra de beto dwa 21st April 2026. And was say Auditor General's report on the nationwide payroll audit for the period 1st January 2023 to 30th June 2025. It will for that period no and omo yes audit no be June 2025. Now Auditor General said they've noted with great concern a media publication citing Mr. Frank Oliver Podo, a public servant, as having received an unearned salary of 427,995,661.40 per the Auditor General's report, nationwide payroll audit. Now almost we wish to state that the amount attributed to Mr. Podo above was due to transpositional error that amount no also relates to the Ministry of Education in respect of 3,476 unaccounted staff. Tinipa 3,476 omo ho asem omo sika ekoye ni se omo nsaka no eno ene yede ni nyina akɔhye Mr. Pudo anim according to Auditor General nemum eye mfomsuo no maye omo bo no na omo ambo ni yie ena omo abosa ahye papa yi edin animu anase akomo yehu se papa yi se sika no na agye na the entire matter of concern ne say the Auditor General's department and audit service no a credibility is at stake because of this error and negligence, should I call it so. Any incompetence of some staff within the audit service no, for the first time abeye dede ama amanfo doubt the credibility of Auditor General report now or the abani sisi. Do almost my correction. I wish I say what the Jeff state for no tabulation no how my correction this I figure na share Ministry of Education anymore. But a lot of people are raising concerns say ebi kra de omedi kan keka dada no nyina kra no enye no kre na corrections ye o mayi kra be then yetimi agye di. This is how credibility is lost. And it's because of obi adwuma bi a wanye ne yie. Ama yetimi atanishi obi image Mr. Podoi ya say na nimonyam e wo Ghana. I don't know how ne ma ene ne yire ene abusua ebe fili sabri. Sa wo papa ye kromfo, ni kunu ye kromfo, ni nua no ye kromfo. Ena wawia wo man sika ye betumi dia boy whole ministry kra ho bra. I don't know how they are feeling right now. But minim say Auditor General one mo ye omudwuma eba payroll audit no ne other audit we na, it's not one person, it goes through process from one stage to the other and san o ma be ye final report no e the copy mpo akoma parliament. And what I'm being informed they say the copy from the comma parliament ni contain these errors. It is the question I'm asking is say and from muguwa yetua wo mo kai nim se wo mo nanim wonim de se wo mo nya adwuma no ntutu no mayi no. Why would they allow this thing to happen? Why would they even amount we no kra say ka bibi kire now say cross check it? But it came out just like that. And now Auditor General so adding a signature siswo appear enko. Ade ye mi hu ne say efri enne ede krono. So Auditor General report to ba bontia na nipa adwini mu aye ne ntanta enti we krebe no kreni enti we krebe no kreni enti deda na ye taye wo ho no a ebo nipa hu say ya chi no kromfo no afei na etofem eba saa ketasese predream kankan ena ye dua piano se enkosoro. So my call shortly on this particular one is say those staff at the Ghana Audit Service, Auditor General, Nakache, Awomudi say Jumei, they must be punished. Ese ye punish your mind a ye deterrent. Emma almost so a bet na who biem se omu ye jumano, so omo anso na bet to aswa. They will learn to do the right thing all the time. Because I go through stages. And you can't tell me, say, we are kwa. Mo system no a na mu nyina stages ni nyina obia mo amoji akatua kese o ma katua mo jeso nya agro mo ntimi amfi mo ani ehu eroi etimi akoso damage to such a man. Not him alone, you have even cost the credibility of Auditor General Juma Nankasa, the audit service. This is bad. And then yet that mo de ye we are negligence, we are incompetence, and people must be held accountable for this. Some of the staff at audit service Auditor General Because this is serious. And now for Auditor General reporter, one real to me say figure assessor ana. Look at where we are heading towards. Corruption e wo maimuno. Si ebetumi atu ase a. Ye hia se enwuma ahodo ese omboa me etu ketasehya ase no omugina brane ye omadwuma ye. That is what is important. Beboy. Auditor General must bow his head in shame. At least before appending your signature, no crana nke say won chese mo cross checking ye. Where is an unpardonable error? Because I bet create a lot of mess for the credibility of audit service. No? And they need to look at that. I don't know me work about the Auditor General and some no. Maybe.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5 FM.